everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Tara. Thank you for joining me today. I'm not going to talk much, just going to quick tell you what I'm doing. I leveled my canvas, I'm prepping it due to the thin paints. Using a paint to paint the edges, it helps the design stick to the edges. So all my colors here for the base are mixed with satin enamels, the bare untinted deep base satin enamels, varying amounts and varying recipes. I've been doing a lot of experimenting lately and I had a bunch of leftover paints, so I thought I'd just give it a whirl, throw a bunch of colors down and see what happens. So this was my little experiment with all the colors. I did put a lot of paint on here, so I ended up having to add some more back in. And then I wanted to play with the black over top of the colors and see what kind of pearls I got with the black as the puddle paint. So that's pretty much it. I am going to let you guys watch. I appreciate you being here. Thank you. If you like what you're seeing, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that all button on the notification so you're notified each time I put out a new video. And of course, head over to my dad's channel. He just put a new video out, so head on over there, check out his video, and that's it. All right, guys, thank you for being here. I'm gonna let you listen to some music and let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments. Okay, bye, y'all.